Okay, here's a narrative of the trail rebuilding that we did today. It's February 25th. I've got, I had 14 volunteers this morning, 12 this afternoon. We've worked a half a day on the CCC trail. We hiked up to this point and started working down. So we're going to walk down and count paces, see how much work we've gotten done this morning. "35 paces to the 1.1 marker. Apologize about the wind. It's been pretty breezy today. We're going to want to come back up to this turn and pull some of this material from above, bring some buckets or canvas bags, and do a little bit more work on these steps, fill in some of these gaps with the fine material. Then we turn the corner here, 75 paces. They have done an excellent job. Virtually built a superhighway up here. Very nice trail surface. Be nice if we'd get a little bit of a rain, soak this in, pack the trail in real good. Now up here, we came to a problem area where we had some severe erosion. That'd be right here. We had a makeshift retaining wall here that had failed, and we took that out and we put in this rock along the side, and we moved the actual tread over and raised it up. Moved it over about 2 feet, raised it up about a foot. So now the water's going to come towards me and run off of this little rock fall right here, where it'll do less damage. And the crew, they have really hustled. We got in about 3 hours before lunch, and they've been back at it about an hour after lunch. And they're quite a ways down there, actually. Made some really nice improvements to this trail that was in desperate need. We still need to work the upper half. Hopefully we'll get to that pretty quick. And we're coming up on the crew now. Really good looking trail tread here. Smile, Cynthia. You're on candid camera. Here they are, getting after it. Yes, it is, isn't it? It's a gorgeous day. We're out of the wind for the most part. All right, getting some really good widening going right here where it got a little narrow. How's it going, Isaac? All righty.
How much farther do we have before the water?
Probably about 2/10 of a mile from this point to the bottom. Yeah, we'll just get as far as we can get. Okay, let me finish this little documentation here.
Did you get me sweating?
I got you sweating, Gary. Yeah, I got you sweating. Here's where the real work's taking place.
No, we'll drag that.